Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the screen lock in this device. So in this device I already set one screen lock, pattern screen lock, you can see. So draw the pattern, it is unlocked. Now let me show you how to change the screen lock. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on security and privacy. Scroll down, tap on device unlock, select the option screen lock. So here we need to enter our current screen lock. Then from here we can select the password type, numeric, alphanumeric or same pattern you can select. So here I am going to select the option numeric, tap on this one. Then again enter the old password. Then this is for 6 digit. If you want to set a different password type, tap on this option. Then from here I am going to select the option 4 digit. Then here we need to enter a 4 digit. Again confirm the password. If you want to enable the fingerprint password, then you can enable, otherwise cancel it. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device, try to unlock. Now you can see they are asking for the 4-digit password instead of that pattern screen lock. You can see. So simply in this way we can change the screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.